In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could find the IMEI number for your lost or stolen Android device or Android smartphone. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. You may have lost your Android smartphone or misplaced it, or you may have lost your Android device and unfortunately you do not have the box or bill or anything of your Android device or your Android smartphone. In such circumstances, what you could easily do is this. The first thing is you get onto google.com. So once you are on google.com, you need to type in find my device. So once you type that in here and do a search, you get all the results out here. I need you to click on this first link here for find my device. Once you do that, okay, you are going to be directed to this page. So once you are on this page, the next thing to do is ensure the email address that you have last logged into the lost or misplaced device is the common one out here. So basically what I mean by that is whatever your email address was on your lost device, use the same email address to log into your account here. Okay, so let me select the email address which is gotten to one of my Android phones. I put in that email address and you can see here that Google starts tracing my phone. So my phone is actually switched off right now. Alright, so that is why I have no data out here, but that's not important. What you need to know is, see, supposing this was a phone which I had misplaced or I had lost or which was stolen from me. What you need to do in such circumstances is that you get onto this page like how I showed you earlier and just click on this icon here. Okay, the information icon. Okay, you click on that and bam, you have a pop-up giving you the IMEI number of the lost device. So you could use the IMEI number to file in a complaint or whatever you need to do, but this is the way you could actually find the IMEI number of your lost Android phone or Android device. By chance, if you are watching my videos for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel, smash that bell notification icon, and always share my content after you watch my videos. Now, just to give you an extra tip here, if you have lost a couple of phones, say if you have 4 phones, you have kept it in a briefcase or in your bag or something and you have misplaced the entire bag. Okay, in such cases, if the email address is the common one, all your devices would be showing up out here, okay, as multiple devices. All right, you need not log into multiple accounts if the email address is the same. Okay, all the devices would be showing up here. Okay, so you could click on each device and click on the information icon and get the IMEI number for each Android device or smartphone that you may have misplaced. But if you have different email addresses logged in to those lost Android devices, what you could do is what I showed you in my video for today. Okay, log into each account, trace it like this, and click on the information icon. Simple and easy. I hope you found this interesting and useful. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up and post a nice little comment. I will definitely come back with another interesting video like this. You take care till then. Peace out.